I'm Director of Culinary Innovation, Chef Greg Muller. I'm a World Chef certified master chef with over 18 years experience. If you name it, I can cook it. So let's get cooking.
Hey there, RecTech family, Chef Greg here with you. Today I'm cooking with Matt Lane and we're doing a really easy side. And I heard you really like Brussels sprouts.
I do, love them. They're kind of undervalued, I feel like, in the kitchen.
I think they're underutilized too. I'm a big fan of Brussels sprouts. So here I've got 2 small packages of Brussels sprouts. We're gonna go just cut them in half. Couldn't be any easier. Sometimes you find them in the bags. Sometimes they're kind of all together on their stalk. It's pretty interesting. Couldn't be any easier. A little olive oil. And then, I don't know about you, but I love the new Freakin Greek seasoning. So we'll add about a teaspoon of that. And what we're gonna do is I've taken our bacon, and here's a time where you don't wanna use like the super mega thick bacon. Cut your strips in half, okay? And then what we'll do is we will take kind of the cut part, put it down, and then we'll actually use toothpicks and skewer them straight through, and then always have the seam on the bottom, and we'll put them straight up and down like that, and they'll cook super even, and then they'll be delicious. So me and Matt got a lot of toothpicks to stuff, so we're gonna get started.
Okay.
All right, so our bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts are done. Matt, I appreciate the help in the kitchen today.
Thanks for having me. It's a lot of fun.
Let me know.
Okay. That's pretty good, Greg. I think you're on to something.
There we go.